How's it going, YouTubers? Sorry about the quality of the sound on the earlier video. We'll go through it again. I'll try and remember everything that I said earlier. So we're going to start with sacred numbers, because a lot of people don't know that there's such a thing as sacred numbers, and sacred numbers repeat themselves throughout the human body, the earth and the heavens. And these are some of those sacred numbers up here. This is called Egyptian doubling. We start with 13.5, 27, 54, 108, 216, 432, 864. I actually learnt this backwards rather than forwards, but that's the way it is sometimes. Where to start? I can't remember where I started on the other video. So what we're going to do is going to start with Prince Philip's death. Okay, so he died 99 years and 9 months old on the 99th day of the year, on the 9th day of the month, and of course 108 and 108. 108 is actually the number of the soul of man. And if you add 108 and 108, you get 216, and of course 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. There's some more to that, but I can't remember the rest of it offhand. But anyway, right, we've got 118, 118. Everyone in England will remember that one because that was an advert for a telephone exchange thing or information line, something along those lines. But 118, 118 is actually a Saros cycle. It's a cycle of the sun, and a Saros cycle is one 18-year, 11-day and 8-hour cycle. That's why 118 is an important number. And this, if you remember the advert in England, two blokes that looked a bit like Jesus. They had white t-shirts and red shorts, and obviously there was two of them, so that's duality, but they split up. So this is the division. This is the divide and conquer. But they have white shirts. White is soul, and red is man. Okay, now you're going to see these numbers repeating over here, because this is a great earth cycle, 25,920 years. I've done this a few times in videos now, but 25,920 years is a great earth cycle. Okay, that's split into 4 seasons. Yes, you got your 4 seasons of 6,480 years, and each one of them is split into 2,160 years. And if you half that again, you get 1,080. Half it again, you get 540. I'll explain this one in a minute. Okay, so you see these numbers, yeah? This is why this is repeating. And again, if we go through these, like 135 plus 531 reflects an add, you get 666. 216, we've done that. There's 72 names for God that use 3 letters. 3 times 72 is 216. 432, if you type the most harmonic number into your search, yeah, that will come up, 432. It's a very repetitive number. Incidentally, the Giza pyramid is 432 thousandths the size of Earth. It's an exact scale model, but not shape wise, but number wise. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, right, 108, 216. 108 and 216 are moon numbers, because the moon has a diameter of 1,080 miles and a circumference of 2,160 miles. 432 and 864 are sun numbers, because the sun has a diameter of 432,000 miles and a circumference of 864,000 miles. Okay, so you've got all this right. 140. 25,920 days is 72 years. 6,480 days is 18 years. 2,160, sorry, I'm trying to look and see what I'm doing. 2,160 is 6 years. 1,080 days is 3.3 years, and 540 days, 18 months. It's just over 18 months, right? Now remember, Saturn is the speed of Saturn is 9.69 kilometers, and Kronos was the god of Saturn. Okay, and on the north pole of Saturn we have a hexagon, and if we add the interior angles, 120 degrees, 6 times 120 is 720. I've missed a naught. 6 times 240 is 1,440, and if we add them together, we get 2,160. Yeah. Okay, so you're starting to understand the cycles and the numbers. And that's why these numbers are sacred. I've also got these ones down here. These are sacred as well, these numbers. 12, right, what we'll do, this is Jesus. Jesus left when he was 12, he was gone for 18 years, returned when he was 30, and at 33, after performing 33 miracles, he died. Okay? It's also these are astrological numbers, because there's 12 astrological signs that go around the sun. Each astrological sign is 30 degrees. To travel outside that astrological sign, you have to travel 33 degrees. Now, like I say, all these numbers are sacred. Okay, I've got to get around. All right, so you can see them there, and we're going to start seeing them here as well. So, covert ID for the AI 234 432, reflect and add 666. Okay, scamdemic equals 96, and end time equals 96, because 96 is the end time, that's what it means. Times equals 96 as well. Yeah, I know. I was running out of space, what can I say? Also equals 234 432 666. We've got Sophia the AI 666. Sophia is also the goddess of destruction, and that actually equals 666. We'll get round to this, don't worry. Gates Eugenics, we've done all this as well, because you've seen all these ones before. Then we got lockdown, 1 2 3 3 2 1 is 444. That's a good number if you're a good witch, bad number if you're a satanic bastard. This is also 34 reduced, but as I say, we'll get round to that in a second. This complete low life, 96, and in Jewish equals 1725. And if you reflect, you get 6996. Remember, 69 time, 96 end time. Okay, so like I say, lockdown 34 reduced equals 34. Neo equals 34. What was Neo? What did they call him? They called him the One. And what was he? He was the start of a new beginning. This is a cycle, 3 and 4. You see, you got 3 windows on 4 sides. That's what this means. 34 is a cycle, 3 windows on 4 sides. That's what it means. Now, Neo was in room 101, and 101 is the 26th prime number, and 26 is the number of God. It's the number of the name of God. And if we go to the Hebrews called him Adonai, which equals 26. The Greeks called him Apollo, which equals 26. Remember, these are numbers that these are names that humans gave him, because you're not allowed to say the name of God. The name of God is sealed within the Tetragrammaton. The Tetragrammaton means 4-letter word, and that's why you're not allowed to know. It's sacred. You're not worthy, apparently. But yeah, God equals 26. But God is just a title, remember. But it's I can't remember everything that I said in the last one. There's probably a lot more that I've forgotten, but I'm going to leave it there, because I'm going to do another one next week, because this can go on for quite a bit. So you'll have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, or what's left of it, or a day. Have a wonderful week. Take care, and we'll speak to you again soon.